Hey everybody, and welcome back to Friday Nuggets. I'm Theresa of Larkin Design, and so it's been a couple of weeks since I've been able to do one of these, and I've missed you guys. I've missed being able to encourage you and inspire you. Just a few minutes every Friday to lift you up and remind you that you are everything that you need to be. And so I wanted today for you to step back and think about a time that there was something that you wanted to do, that you wanted to learn how to do, and that you practiced, and other people thought that you couldn't do it. And maybe when you were a kid, it was like, I don't know, trying to learn how to do a handstand in the pool, or doing some kind of flip on the monkey bars. And when you think back to how that felt when you learned how to do it, and then you went back to those people who thought you couldn't do it, and you said, look at what I can do, and look at what I learned how to do, and I'm doing it. And remember how that felt? Remember how you had the courage to try anyway, and you had the courage to believe in yourself that you could do it no matter what they said, and you did it anyway. And that is what I want you to take with you this weekend, is how that felt to say, look, I did it anyway. Because whatever that thing is that you're wanting to do now, you can do it. And there are plenty of people out there who want to tell you that you can't, or who do you think you are that you could accomplish that. But that little kid that learned how to flip on the monkey bars is still in you, and you can do it. And when you look back and you've done it, you're going to feel that way. You're going to feel that sense of pride, and you're going to say, look, I did it. I did it anyway. And so that's it. That's what I want you to take with you this weekend and into next week, that you can do it anyway. Be brave and be audacious enough to keep going for it. I'll see you back here next Friday. Thanks for watching, you guys. Be sure to share this with your friends. Don't you know somebody who needs to hear this today to keep going, and also be the person that encourages others to keep going. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.